In this video, I want to show you the BlueTex wall and roof cover and repair system. This is a 44,000 square foot soccer facility called Sogility in Medina, Ohio. They're doing a complete renovation of the building. Their insulation was old and torn, so part of the process they're using the BlueTex Pro system to cover the old insulation. In addition, they put metal on the side walls for extra durability since it's a soccer center. Of course, you could also install the BlueTex on the walls. It's the exact same process, just up and down instead of horizontally. One thing they did that's unique is they came through and painted all the metal before installing the BlueTex. Fortunately, they didn't have to worry about overspray on the insulation because the old insulation is completely covered up by the new BlueTex. It's ultra durable, tear-proof, and a vapor barrier. It's kind of like installing new seat covers in a car. By doing this system, you can completely change the look of an old building to make it look brand new. Or you could paint both the metal and the BlueTex any color you want after installation. Here you can see some before and after pictures. The transformation is amazing. The key is to have a large lift so you can easily reach both purlins on either side at the same time. They pre-cut all the pieces so they had about 2 inches extra on either side. Now let me walk you through the installation process. It's pretty straightforward. The BlueTex material is 50 inches wide, and the aluminum termination bars, we call them term bars, are 48 inches wide, providing a 2-inch overlap. The best way to install is to attach the BlueTex with the term bar on one side and put the center screw in to hold it into place. Then pull it snug and attach the term bar on the other side purlin in the center, lining up the edge with your perfect 2-inch overlap. Then you can gently pull on the sides and screw in the ends of the term bars. This makes it tight and smooth. Then all you have to do is peel off the paper on the double-sided tape to pre-seal the two pieces on the seam. And then finally come through with our 3-inch wide vapor barrier seam tape to seal all the seams. Now you do want to make sure you press this tape on pretty firm. It's a pressure activated tape and it'll take a couple of months to reach full adhesion. Finally, you can trim off the excess material below the term bars. Typical install rate is between 800 to 1400 square feet per day for 2 people. And the speed definitely gets faster the more you do. The main thing you want to remember is that you're trying to make it as airtight as possible. You want the warm, moist air from inside the building to not be able to get past the BlueTex to the cold metal that could potentially cause moisture and condensation issues. This is your new internal vapor barrier. Order your free small sample kit today, or you can purchase our larger test kit and the cost will be refunded when you order. For more information, visit BlueTexInsulation.com.